Troops, good evening. Dito ako ngayon sa Prince Hypermart. Ipapakita ko sa inyo different kinds of Unilever Company merch. Sunsilk Sachet Part 11. Ito po siya. Meron tayong Sunsilk Co-Creation Shampoo 15 ml, 50% more. Yan. Meron din tayong Sunsilk Natural Shampoo 20% more, Sakura and Raspberry Radiance. Yan. Available po yan sa any grocery stores o kahit sa small stores sa mga malls. 11 ml po siya. Yan. Meron din tayong promo pack. Buy 11 get 1 free. Sunsilk Corporation Shampoo 50 ml. Ha? Meron din tayong 20% more cocoa hydration with coconut water hydration and shiny hair. 11 ml. Then meron din tayong Sunsilk Corporation Shampoo 15 ml, 50% more strong and long. Yan. Meron din tayong Sunsilk Natural Shampoo 20% more watermelon freshness with watermelon and mint for fresh and volumized hair. 11 ml. Then meron din tayong Sunsilk Corporation Shampoo 3% more damage reduction. Yan. Then last meron din tayong Sunsilk Corporation Shampoo 3% more expert perfect straight 10 ml. Yan. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merge videos. Respect, always rise, never give up. God bless us all, always. Ayan. Thank you.